Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make omelette noodles using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, a splash of milk, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk these together until they are well combined and slightly frothy. Next, heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, ensuring it's lightly greased. This preparation is key for perfect, thin omelette sheets. Now, let's cook our egg sheets. Pour a thin layer of the egg mixture into your hot pan, swirling it quickly to coat the bottom evenly. Cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, or until the edges are set and the top appears mostly firm. There's no need to flip it. Once cooked, carefully slide the thin omelet onto a cutting board to cool completely before the next step. With your omelet sheets cooled, it's time to transform them into noodles. Stack the cooled omelet sheets neatly on top of each other. Then, carefully roll the stacked omelettes tightly into a log shape. Using a sharp knife, slice the log into thin, noodle-like strips. The thinner you slice, the more delicate your omelette noodles will be, perfect for any dish. Your delicious omelette noodles are now ready. You can add these versatile noodles to your favorite soups, salads, or stir-fries. They make a fantastic gluten-free and low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. For more great kitchen tips and product recommendations, check the description below. Also, if you're tired of flimsy socks, you'll find a link there for darn tough socks, known for their lifetime warranty and comfort. Don't miss out on other deals too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.